everyone, and welcome to Sofia DIY Studio. I'm Sofia,